So this is the pound yen analysis for Friday the 29th of June. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices come down towards beyond the 44.78. We did see a break of this 44.36, and the very next level of note was all the way down at this 43.19. We didn't quite see prices progress all the way down towards this 43.19. Instead, we did see prices stall somewhat in and around this 43.80 or so. So we'll just mark that on the charts as it may become important in the future. There we are. So we're just going to mark it out on the chart as it's essentially 78, isn't it? Let's go with 78. There we are. So we have had so we've had price come down towards this 43.78, from which we found support, had a brief consolidation, then we did have a break. We did have this consolidation in and around the 43.36, so we did have the break above the 43.36, held the support, from which we did see a brief bullish bounce. We did see a bullish bounce breaking through the 44.78 and all the way up towards that 45.11 and that 200 period moving average. So we did have a brief pullback here from this 200 period moving average, taking us back below the 45.11, taking us below the 45.11, from which we have seen a strong bullish break of that 45.11 and that 200 period moving average. And we've seen the price progression here towards the upside, towards that 146 here on the pound against the dollar. So if we do see a break of the 146, we're going to see our price react towards that 400 period moving average, after which we're looking for a move up towards that 46.38. And if we do progress beyond the 46.38, the very next level of note beyond the 46.38 would be a move up towards that 147.35 here on the pound against the yen. Now if we do see a breakdown, if we encounter resistance from that 146, looking for a breakdown possibly towards that 145.11, successful break from which we then look for a move down towards that 144.78, and if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 144.78, we're looking for a move down towards that 144.36 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. We get the scaling on here correct, and as we can see here, we've got our lows in around that 43.19. We've had prices come down towards that 43. We formed our lows in around that 43.78. We didn't break down towards that 143.19. So from this 43.78, we've seen a bit of a pin bar, and from which we have seen this pretty large candle developing here on the daily chart so far on the 29th of June. So we do see poised for a test of that 146 and also that 400 period moving average sitting slightly above it, also that 146.38. Now if we do see a follow through to the upside, we did mention 147.35, and beyond that 147.35, the very next level here of note is a move up towards that 148, if we do successfully navigate the 147.35 in the coming days or possibly weeks. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.